My name is Kapin Raja, and I am from Savita Engineering College. And this is my final review for V3 presentation about my project status and the codes, what I have done, what was the status of the project, and everything. The project is composed of three members with the working together, and the project which is guided by my mentor, Mr. Rupert Otto, is COFT team, a Department of Artificial Intelligence, and also known as including one of the COFT departments. Let's don't waste the time that we enter into our um, projects and the codes stuff at all. Like in review 3, I have already told that the projects the problem statements and the proposed solutions, everything one at a time. In review 3, we have added certain bug fixes and also like stuff features added, which we going to see in later of the session. And this is the rapid physical answer sheets, everything we are going to convert the statements of the project scope. The main thing you have see the architecture diagram which we designed. Like there are the three layers in our application, like presentation layer, application layer, and this data layer. The presentation layer, which also known as the base layer for the user interactions. Like faculty members, they can able to authenticate through faculty portals and also student portals through students can enter into the students portal. And after that, it will come into our the main application layer where the authentications in uploading and the submission frameworks, API calls, everything we had uploaded and then handled here, and the background of the thing like the database, the storaging, and how the file paths are going there. Everything is happened in data layer through the API calls. This is a basic design of the use case diagram, how faculty staff can interact with the Moodle. Through Moodle, how they both can able to get benefit out to that. Yeah, this is a class diagram. Make it beautiful. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Yeah, class diagram represents the statistic or structure of our application intelligent examination submission framework. And then you can see about the statistic application system structures such as the session of the student when they are login, Moodle client, submission service like API calls. If we call which is handled with the submission service section of the client, which that Moodle will be get updated or API call paper will be submitted and everything. Artifact services like creating, bending, showing the list of submitter and non-submitter lists. And the algorithm which we use like a bulk uploading and the stocks of bending are composed of list applications and the algorithms such as LMS hardware key libraries, mainly the key libraries is budgeting, like we have used fast APIs like better backend API calls like that. And then implementations like already before I told that which everything is done through the UIs at the API calls. There is no more manual interruption should be there. This is a sample output of an application, but this is a first prioritized site. But now we correctly updated the pages and UIs and features also, which we going to see later. Yeah, this sample output images which I have attached test cases what we have tested now and everything. And results we got it at conclusion of that. Let's be going to our code session like how it's going. The code can be opened or run through the Python run.py. With the help of that, it will be get added here. There you can able to see that in application folder we have added the API sessions like routes, the calling of authentications, the heartbeats, how they going to be make sure to upload passwords and mapping the sub register numbers subject code from the uploaded files and everything we have done here, it's separated to the routes. Through that, then it will be distributed to other components. Same for the student section also, where we're going to fetch those details from the DBs and then Moodle clients and Moodle client usernames and everything. And after students get it to be logged in here through that, and maintain this the services. In services, in the artifact is a basic logic for the examination artifact management, where we will going to be added some kind of a special method like uh, we get to separate through the register numbers from the subject code register number through the name of the file system, and then we have to separate through that, and then we have to make sure store somewhere, like make it to be available with the help of the papers to be uploaded to particular register number and everything. The file processor will already told that this will be make sure the papers what we uploaded to file names should be validated, such as the register should have a 12 digits and the subject code which should have an 7 digits with the separated by the underscore. This should be automatically verified after uploading, like faculties after they give an uploaded button through that. And the submission services, like the API calls happen through this kind of artifact. Yeah, this is the application completely what we developed right now. Let's we dive into our UI. This is a faculty portal. You can see the faculties can able to log into their particular login credentials, and then have already uploaded some kind of papers and the reports, everything added here. Let's something like, for an example, if when a student, if student passport, if corresponding student passport they given, they corresponding to have given the corresponding register number. For example, if they given some other register number, they can't able to log into their uh, portals or applications due to privacy issues. That's what we have added, like corresponding register name we have added register number. So with the corresponding register number, with the corresponding username alone, the student can able to log in here. After logging, I have moved from the Moodle API. We directly fetch the uh, name of the thing. There you can see the submitted papers here. Such as, for an example, if I am deleting these papers, like I have already deleted this paper, that's what the file not on the server. Let's mm, I want once more make sure to upload the paper. Yeah, I upload some kind of bulk papers here. The faculties can able to upload those papers here, and then they can click refresh button, and fact students also can able to refresh those papers. Like, yeah, after uploading, you can students can able to view their papers like through that, and then if it is satisfied, then the students can able to submit those papers. Like if let's think about that, the subject code is 19A550. This correspondingly to the current Raja something. Yes, should like it is the local server setup environment for the thing. Like if student log in here for a testing purpose, I was showing this local system view, so that we can able to understand how it's going to work and efficiently it will be there. like it's running on local system. It will take some kind of time to get all services to be executed from Apache server to SQL services at all. Let's take some time. Like this is the thing faculty uploaded to particular user. Like I have created some, and from the admin portal I have created some courses and assigned the courses to the students and created activities. You can see here the A for game subject where I have added um, I have added assessment and activities at all. Like if any issues came across through the submission or subsequent issues, students can able to make a report through this kind of a report button, and the report will be get to be added here, like error or something like that. This thing will be definitely visible in the portal, such as for an example, this you can able to see the error thing. If faculty's thing it's going to be like after making some changes, they can able to save changes and result. And then after, for example, if faculty's completed everything, if they given result, it's completely moved into the updated part, and here also the bending section will be moved into the computer session. Yeah, it's resolved like that. So its problem get to be finished. So you can see that here I have created pod like activity pod B and C for an activity. I have already uploaded. It's on time I remove it. Yeah, it's get to be removed. Like if a student giving confirming everything is correct, then the students can just click out the yes submit and acknowledging that every informations are correct. It's completely in the student point of view that students cannot able to edit or may changing the files, such a thing. After clicking submit button, it's going to be submitted in the Moodle line. So in Moodle in background, it's automatically to be submitted. Like you can able to see the timings and date of the day. Yeah, this is the complete project and working we have done for now. Thank you.